Yeah, so guys, this is Michael. I quickly want to show you how you can trade in the trend. The reason why many of you are blowing your accounts because you're trading wrongly. Trading wrongly means you are going against the trend. Every time you go against the trend, just know there is no way you can make money in the market. Now, this is what happens. I have, when you look at this chart window, the first one up here, you see that we have a region where the market is moving above the two lines, and then we also have a section where it is moving below the two lines. So if you would like to trade with the trend, for example, you're scalping, please be patient to wait for this market to go above these two lines. This is a moving average and Ichimoku. So let the market go above the two lines. There it will be easier for you to scalp. Okay, like I said, you do a small lot size like 0.1, then you let it float if you want to hold it for a long time. Okay, yeah. So if you're catching spikes, you do not expect to catch a lot of spikes in this zone here. Hmm? So what you do, you be patient to wait for the market to crash below the two lines. Now in this region, you can easily catch spike in M1 time frame. Now let me show you. We have this region here. That is where the market went below. So when you turn here, it happened exactly at this point here. You see that? So the market went below. Let me show you. Below the two lines here. Okay. So you can see in M1 what is going on. You cannot fail to catch spikes in this zone because you have been patient to wait for the market to come where you are. Let me show you another one. Now look at this zone here. So this thing of overbought oversold may not help you because look here, the market would run all the way up. You would think that at this point maybe it's about to start crashing because it's in an overbought zone or something. Doesn't work that way. You just have to wait for the trend, because now look at this, how it went all the way up here. So it was much better to first wait and let it cross below the two lines, then you can use 1 minute time frame to trade. Okay, yeah, let me show you more example. Now like here, the market went below. You would definitely catch spikes at this point if you follow the right rule. Okay, now here, market moving about above the two lines, you don't expect to catch a lot of spikes here. So this is where people end up blowing accounts. Yeah,
It means you
market below.
have to first of all download
This is 5 minutes time frame. So yeah, market below, you would have traded profitably at this point here. Now how do you use M1 for entering trade? Let me show you quickly. You're gonna use Ichimoku. You are going to use Ichimoku. Now the Ichimoku I'm talking about is this yellow line. Please just ignore these bands that you see. You don't need it. So you need this Ichimoku. Once the market in 5 minutes time frame has gone below the two lines, you come to 1 minute time frame here. You come to 1 minute time frame here. Then every time the market touches the Ichimoku, you enter its spikes. Every time it touches the Ichimoku, you enter its spikes. Okay? Yeah, and then when it crosses above like this, you may exit. Let me show you another one. Now you can see here. Why would you not trade here? Because these are this kind of market. They are this kind of market here. You see as if it's changing the trend, but it actually goes against you. This is exactly what happens here. It goes against you. So how do you avoid that? Simple. You wait for it to be below the line totally. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the setting quickly. Now for the trend detection, you press that F, Ichimoku. This is the setting for Ichimoku. 9952 fill, Tenken Sen, 3 pixels blue, Kojun Sen, 3 pixels. Yeah, just a moment. Maybe 1 minute. Yeah, then okay, then the next one is this one here, this moving average. Please, you can just write it down quickly or you take a screenshot, and that is done for you to identify the trend. Then you use it in M5 time frame. Now for the 1 minute time frame, for now entering the market, every time the market touches Ichimoku, you just need on this setting here. Okay, Ichimoku 9952 fill. Yeah, exactly the same as the other one above, and that will be it. You don't need the rest. Okay, so you wait for market to crash below. First confirmation, second confirmation. As it goes back, as it touches the Ichimoku, you enter. It will spike. Yeah. So thank you guys.